Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Asus ROG Phone 6 to a Wi-Fi network. So in order to do this, we can open our settings and right here find the Wi-Fi network and internet. Here's the internet, and if we press on it, we'll see a list of all Wi-Fi networks available for us. Also, you can go for this notification bar, scroll it down, and if you have a shortcut for Wi-Fi, it should be visible right here, and you can hold your finger to open the same settings. Now select which Wi-Fi you want to connect to, enter the password, because usually all of them are protected by the password, and click on connect. And as you can see, we're just connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.